is a tea entrepreneur in Canada. She has a retail business, 150 square feet. She's trying to get her business online. You already have established business, and she's not a millennial. She just sent me a text message. First thing, this is leafandvessel.ca. Look right there. That's the first thing. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. Now, can you see how close that is? That is an artificial intelligence pu'er photo. No one wants to buy a pu'er photo that's artificially inflated. If you are taking pictures of your product and putting it online, even if it looks like a little spots and stuff, guess what? Get a real photo of your product, upload it to ChatGPT or Gemini, and make it look pretty but still real, because that ain't real.
That's right.
All right, so that's 37%, 3.75 grams tea cake, 3 cover fish infusion, and it's going around. This is called a gallery, like a rotator.
Right.
They're all right here. You should be able to click it, and it takes you directly to the product. You can't do that.
It's Shopify.
You can't. So I'm clicking that. I want it. I can't find it. Oh no, it's not working. That's no bueno. Now, there are certain programs, you probably have the cheaper Shopify, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well, that cheaper Shopify is costing you a customer right now, because they want to click that and it's not going through. By the way, no judgment. It's 2026. This is an iPhone S8. I'm like, anyone who knows me personally, I don't like spending money. And when I have clients who pay me to help me spend with their business, I don't want to spend their money. But I'll be the first one to tell you, don't be cheap with your artificial inflated website, because this website, your website, can make you money 24/7. Now, she mentioned there's 3 things that she wants on her website. No, 3 items. I said, what's the most item you want to sell? Earl Grey, chamomile, one other. All those, no Earl Grey, no chamomile, none of that. Tea products, nope. The products you want to sell the most of, you don't even have up front. And even if you was up front, you can't click the button. No more guessing. Right there. Okay, I see the Leaf and Vessel, the underdog on top. Your reception isn't all that great. You need to get your Shopify updated. Maybe you have too many apps. Whatever the problem is, this video is specifically to how to make your Shopify website way better. Leafandvessel.ca, and I haven't even scrolled down yet.
No.
Okay? And guess what? If they clicking on all this stuff and they got this question mark right here. Oh, the question mark works. So, okay, I guess I'm gonna ask a question, and it looks like a spam. It's got Chinese red all over it, and it's a Canadian company. I don't like that.
Red for Canada.
Red for Canada, red for spam. I don't like it. Asking all these questions, you need to put a search bar instead of that internet.
Okay.
I'll click right here. No, it doesn't look good. Now let's just scroll down a little more. Okay, welcome to the Leaf and Vessel. How about you just say, buy tea here?
Okay.
Because if they got to leafandvessel.ca, they already know what website they're at.
Okay.
Find your ultimate functional tea. Can I click that? Can I click that? Nope, can't click. Oh, that one worked. Great. Anti-aging beauty. I didn't get the point is, if you've never built a website, and I'm talking about an e-commerce website, hire someone who's built it. Yes, there are so many programs, do it yourself, but you can watch YouTube to rebuild an engine. You can watch YouTube to work on your plumbing, but you don't want to deal with that mess. So much easier. You can hire people in another country for pennies on the dollars, even if they're Canadian dollars, for way cheaper. If you want help with your website, go to the web, email me, Fernando. You want to be in this email? No. This is just one of the many resources that are available at the World Tea Expo.